Hello, this is Jane for Boatshed Essex on board the Princess 33 with a deck video just to complement the rest of the videos that you can see online. So we're starting off in this lovely large cockpit, and you can see they have the steps either side to help get up onto the side decks. So off we go and up onto the starboard side deck. And plenty of grab handles as well, which is nice. So she's lovely and tidy. As we walk around the side deck, you can see the deck looks tidy. Nice sized forward coach roof there. Dinghy's just currently stored on there. Nice windows, plenty of space there. Plenty of good all-round views as well. Moving forward, we have this nice sized foredeck. Anchor and windlass. As you can see, the deck does look nice and tidy. Again, moving towards the stern of the boat. Grab handles as well here. Nice high side rails as well. Lifelines. Access back into the cockpit. So please do give us a call or send us an email. We'll be delighted to arrange a viewing for you or answer any questions you may have. Thank you very much.